Hey friends, thank you so much for being here with me today. We are officially one day away from the new year, and I just want to thank you guys so much for being here with me throughout this year. I have so many amazing things planned for next year, so I hope you guys will consider subscribing if you haven't yet, and stay tuned for a bunch of cleaning and decluttering. You know, I'll always go all out with decluttering for the new year. It's because I want to start off afresh. So stay tuned for that. Today I'm cleaning up after Christmas, and I hope you guys get the motivation that you wanted to start your new year decluttering. Anyways, guys, I will not be talking through this video. I'm just gonna play some music for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Now let's tackle our messes together.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
I hope you guys got the motivation you needed to get up and get going. Anyways, guys, that is it. I love you guys. Stay tuned for more decluttering and cleaning motivation, tons of shop with me, and a bunch of other amazing content. Until next time, guys, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. I love you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Happy New Year's to you all. And I hope you have the most tremendous, amazing year. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more like this, please do consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Please do share it with someone who might also need some motivation. Love you guys.